In this video, I'll walk you through on how to create a purchase order on Overloop. Before creating a purchase order, make sure that the product and supplier have already been added to Overloop. To get started, go to inventory, click purchase, and here click purchase item. Here you can search and select for the product you want to purchase and then add to purchase order. Here we have create order. Create order creates the order without payment or receiving. We have create and pay. Create and pay creates the order and records payment. Create and receive. It creates the order and records that the goods have been received. We have create, pay and receive. This creates the order, records the payment and confirms that the goods have been received. So in this video, I'll be using create and receive. My unit measurement, supplied quantity. This is the quantity I received from the supplier. 50. I already have my cost price. So we have adjust prices here. This allows you to set or update the selling price of the product. You can enter the sales margin percentage or directly specify the selling price per unit. And you can also select the reorder stock level if needed. Once you are done, click save. Here I have my supplier. I'll select supplier. Shipping cost is optional. We have tax, which is optional as well. Purchase ID optional. Purchase date optional, but very important. And then I'll click create and receive. The purchase order has been created.